Hello, quarantined America. Have you got a teenager who is suddenly at home with you 24/7? Are you maybe looking for something interesting and educational for them to do? My name is Daniel Schwabauer, and I'm a writer and a teacher and the owner of a homeschool publishing company called Clearwater Press. I know you're probably seeing tons of ads from people who want to sell you stuff while you're stuck inside. I'm seeing the same thing because I'm stuck inside too. But this is actually what we do all the time. We've spent years developing fun and fascinating creative writing programs that are video-based. I will lead your student step by step through the process of writing their own novel, creating their own magazine, or learning to be a time-traveling journalist. Plus, they'll get a full English credit, all while having the time of their life. When they can't go outside, expand their minds by showing them how to go inside. Go to clearwaterpress.com to watch sample lessons or request a free DVD.